Having trouble adding data to your AirTalk Wireless plan? This section addresses common issues preventing successful data add-on purchases, balance updates, and data refreshes. The primary reasons for this issue typically fall into three core areas: add-on purchase failures due to payment issues, balance management delays, and refresh mechanism glitches. First, ensure your payment method is valid and has sufficient funds. Check for expired cards or regional restrictions. If using the app, clear the cache and update to the latest version, 4.2.1 or newer, released in March 2025. A stable network connection is essential for balance updates. If problems persist, move on to the next section. If basic troubleshooting fails, try accessing the AirTalk Wireless website via a desktop browser, as mobile app-specific bugs can sometimes interfere with transactions. Allow up to 5 minutes for your balance to refresh automatically. This is a feature implemented in Q2 2025. If the balance remains incorrect, contact AirTalk Wireless support directly via email or chat for a manual override. Provide proof of purchase and account details. Keep in mind that temporary outages with payment processors like Stripe can also cause delays. Monitor AirTalk's official website or social media for updates on widespread issues. If the problem is unresolved, consider filing a complaint with the FCC, especially if you experience billing inconsistencies. Remember, patience and clear communication with support are key to resolving data add-on issues.